In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if swiping up on the lock screen doesn't work and let's say you swipe up and nothing happens, the phone doesn't unlock and the screen does not respond to your touches. Then here in that situation, the only way to fix that issue is to force reset your iPhone to get it fixed. To do that, we need to press a combination of buttons. I'm going to show you how to do so. First off, guys, we need to press Add Volume Up button, then Volume Down button, and then we need to press and hold Side button. Keep in mind that to make it work, we need to do it really quick, just like so, volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button. I'm gonna show you how to do so. Volume up, volume down, and then I hold power button until screen turns off. Just keep holding it. Now screen turns off. I'm still holding this button. Now we need to wait until Apple logo appears. Once Apple logo appears, we can release the finger and wait until our iPhone is loaded. It can take some time, and once it is done, we can try if it helps us or not. If this video was helpful for you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.